Now let's take you live to Capitol Hill, where bombshell testimony from a former Facebook employee. That whistleblower claims the social media giant knowingly allowed its products to damage the mental health of young users.
During my time at Facebook, I came to realize a devastating truth. Almost no one outside of Facebook knows what happens inside of Facebook. The company intentionally hides vital information from the public, from the U.S. government, and from governments around the world.
It was the most clicked on story on our website at CBS46.com today. Ashley Thompson is live tonight in Atlanta, breaking it all down for us. Ashley?
That was Frances Haugen you just heard from, and she says Facebook knows the damage it can do, especially to young children. Take a look on Facebook and on Instagram. You're likely to see posts that you will interact with, creating somewhat of a spiral. Haugen says the company knows it is addicting and not always healthy for young kids. One day after an hours-long outage, Facebook embroiled in another controversy. Former employee turned whistleblower Frances Haugen testifying before Congress. She claims Facebook knows its products, including Instagram, are harmful to children.
Engagement-based ranking on Instagram can lead children from very innocuous topics like healthy recipes to anorexia promoting content over a very short period of time.
Haugen's testimony shedding more light on the dangers and pitfalls of social media, but many already believe Facebook to be problematic. In 2017, CBS 46 spoke with a local teen who was cyberbullied on the platform.
This is all on Facebook, yeah.
Alexandria Boston was in middle school when two of her classmates made a Facebook page pretending to be her to taunt her. Her family filed a libel lawsuit against the kids.
Because everybody in middle school, small school, everybody knew about it, even teachers. And I didn't really have friends because nobody knew if they could trust me or not.
Haugen says Facebook has been lying to the public about its progress against hate and misinformation and ignores its own research that shows it creates body image issues for teens.
Now even you have plastic surgery implications. All these are affected, as well as then the aspect that it's really become a popularity contest that's now an international popularity contest.
Gwinnett County psychologist and author ERIK works with children and tells me nothing Haugen said today surprised him.
And that's where we as adults are the ones who are supposed to be managing what our kids are exposed to. And to me, if you assume a role and you're selling a product, you want to make sure that you're selling something healthy.
And take a look at this ad on my Facebook page, definitely targeted towards me. That's Ulta Beauty. Now, Facebook is pushing back against Haugen's claim, saying she didn't do any research on child safety or work in that department. For now, I am live in Atlanta. Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.
Thanks, Ashley. Well, in the meantime, the company is apologizing for yesterday's widespread outage that also cost, by the way, Mark Zuckerberg $7 billion in his personal stock holdings. The company is blaming a technical issue, saying configuration changes on its routers were the root of the issue, disrupting network traffic and bringing services, as you probably know, to a halt. Facebook says no user data was breached during the outage.